When two systems store the same vendor differently, a straight name match misses it. When there's no unique identifier, these records may continue to be stored in the same system as duplicates. Multiply that across a real file, and you're looking at hundreds of mismatched pairs hiding in plain sight. Let's walk through how DataMatch Enterprise handles this. The first thing we will do is create a new project in DataMatch Enterprise. We'll start by importing our two source files, CRM vendors and ERP vendors, as CSVs. Once both files are uploaded, we move to the preview step to confirm the data loaded correctly. The next thing we'll do is profile the data to ensure all the required fields are filled. Here, we can see that each field is 100% filled, and that there aren't any null values. With this, we can move on to the next step. Before we match anything, it's worth cleaning up the data first. Here in data cleansing, we can standardize casing, trim non-printable characters, and apply consistent formatting across fields like vendor name, address, city, state, zip, and phone. This step reduces a lot of the noise that would otherwise result in false non-matches later on. Since we want to compare data in both of the files, we will choose the Between option in the match configuration. Now we get to the core of the process, defining how records should be compared. Since we don't have any unique identifiers like customer IDs or tax IDs in our files, we will use a combination of a few fields in our match definitions to find the most accurate matches. For the matching type, we're using fuzzy matching rather than an exact match, since we know these vendor names won't always be typed identically between systems. We set the data type to text, assign a weight to reflect how important this field is to the overall match, and adjust the fast level and match level thresholds to control how strict or lenient the comparison is. We'll repeat this same setup for address and contact name, each with its own weight depending on how reliable that field tends to be. As we can see here, even though multiple vendors have the word Riverside in their name, DataMatch Enterprise doesn't consider them as a pair unless other details like address and contact name match as well. Once matches are identified, we need to decide what happens to the data itself. In Merge and Survivorship, under Overwrite Records, we choose which source should win for each field. For each field, we're taking the value from the system that has the longest value since that is likely the most complete record. Here, the records have accurately been overwritten and now both records in the pair show the exact same values. With matching and merge rules in place, we move to Final Export. Here we choose how we want the output structured. We can show all records and flag duplicates, suppress duplicates entirely, or keep a single master record per duplicate group. We can also choose which data sources to include, in this case both CRM vendors and ERP vendors, and decide whether to include score fields and system fields in the output. Once everything is configured, we preview the results to confirm they look correct, and then export the final, clean dataset. Try DataMatch Enterprise today to match your data with or without any unique identifiers.